Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, we're going to answer the question, when should I replace my annuity? Okay, so this is, there's a couple of different scenarios when you want to replace your annuity. Just a preference, the Annuity Expert is an independent annuity broker. We have the largest selection of annuities in the United States. Okay, so know that. I would tell you, I think we got over 1,500 different annuity contracts, and there are way more garbage annuity contracts than there are good contracts. Doesn't mean there isn't good contracts. There's great contracts, but there are far fewer than most of them out there, right? Whether that means lower upside potential, lower income, crappier death benefits, less liquidity, just middle of the road income. You know, it's just, there's so many different performance-based lifetime income products. And a lot of times you get recommended an annuity that you think, hey, this annuity is great. But then over the long term, you find out like, actually, this is a garbage annuity. For example, I had a person who's 81 last week email me saying that they have this Allianz 360 annuity that they've had for 6 years. And I think they said the return was like 0.237%. They earned less than a 1% rate of return. And then they paid over $6,000 in fees over a 6-year period. So there's a lot of opportunities for you to get a piss poor annuity contract. And so when you start to see that you're not getting the returns that you were presented up front at the sale of the contract, or if you find out that you're getting less income, or you're paying, or you're in the market through a variable annuity, or you're ready to take lifetime income and you want to make sure you're getting the highest lifetime income, that's when you want to replace an annuity. You want to replace an annuity when you want to either de-risk your annuity because you're in a variable annuity, or you're in an annuity that's not giving you the returns that was presented to you at the time of buying the annuity, or you bought it in a low interest rate environment. So if you bought an annuity pre-2020, it's almost in your best interest in every scenario to move that and replace that annuity with an annuity in a higher interest rate environment. I'll give you a couple of examples. If you owned a MYGA, you were probably getting 3 to 4% in interest. Okay. Now you're getting 5 to 6.30% as of May 2026. So 5 to 6. I mean, if you're getting almost double the interest, it obviously makes sense to move it over and replace your annuity now. If you bought an annuity for lifetime income, I had a client, a couple in Minnesota, who had a small, like $86,000 annuity that they bought in 2015, and they were ready to start income. And that annuity was giving them $5,255 a year starting this year. But I said, hey, if you rolled it over to a new annuity in a higher interest rate environment, I could get you $2,500 more a year in income using the same exact money. And you're going to pay less in fees because they were in a variable annuity, right? So if you bought your annuity in a lower interest rate environment, it probably makes sense to replace it for a newer annuity. If you're in an annuity where you are given this illustration and this expectation that you're going to get 8, 9, 10% returns on your annuity on a regular basis, and you're not, and you're getting 1, 2, or 3%, yeah, you should probably replace it. It should never be considered, because it should never be a blanket review of all annuities. It should be a reflection of the person who sold you that specific annuity. Okay, the person who sold you the annuity, it should be responsible for getting that annuity and having poor returns, right? A trend that's going on with a lot of fixed index annuities is they have these mutated engineered indexes that are showing you the world in terms of returns, and a lot of them are coming back flat. We typically recommend we use the rule of thumb, keep it simple, stupid, KISS method. So we stick with the true S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, indexes that you can see on the nightly news each and every day, well, Monday through Friday. Know, like, hey, I didn't get a return this year because the S&P 500 is volatile because we're in a war with Iran. If you are having a bad experience with an annuity, don't think all annuities are that way. Your mindset should be, I got sold a lemon and I need to replace this lemon with something better. Okay. And if you own an annuity and you purchased it in the past for lifetime income, you should stress test it against a new annuity, lifetime annuity, to see if you can get a higher lifetime income payment. I mean, at the end of the day, it's more money in your pocket. So hope that answered your question. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Check us out at the Annuity Expert. You can look at our fixed annuity rates here. We update these daily. Okay. And we, have all the rates here. And then if you want to do lifetime income, you can always use our lifetime income calculator. It's real-time payout. So you know what you stand to compete against. And then we can help you out with the replacement if you need help. No cost, no obligation to you. 770-755-1565. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. See ya.